Okay, thank you. Part two of what I discussed earlier on based on the Kfsense. We flood a Windows 10 machine by using SSH, which is the 22, which we all of us know is the, and we also flood the FTP, which is 21, on our Kali Linux machine. And you can see clearly here that still is flooding. But let me just what cancel it. Let me cancel it, then go back to Windows. Yes. So over here it shows everything that now something bad is going on. Something bad is going on. Something bad is going on. Okay, so at least we know that we have the KF telling us and also detecting everything. But you can see clearly here. So let us now see the properties of it. Right click on it, then you choose event details. Event details. So when you see the event details, at least it tells you that the visitor, the visitor that is coming into our corporate network is who? Is 192.168.10.210. And let's check and see whether it's truly 210. So let's clear the and Kali, then you type the if config. You can see that truly is coming from the attacker machine. You see, it's coming from attacker machine. So it means that in Windows 10, the cave sensor has already what? Detected it. And the sensor ID is what? Kfsense. And it's using event ID, which is 56. So for us to just check it, 56, 56. Let's go to the internet. Then we check Kfsense ID 56. Kfsense ID 56. So when we check it, then we will know what they are talking about. Let me just go to this side. So we want to check. Let me click on this one. So it's clearly shows here, but there are some that at least don't want to show, but you will take it like that. So it's like a form of a honeypot. It's a form of a honeypot, and it helps you and I to to detect the bad people that they want to come into our network and come and destroy things that we have built for many years. At least there are some files that they want to take it alongside themselves and they want to destroy it within a twinkle of an eye by copying it. So you can just get rid of it. Okay. So after you are finished, you can also type the domain name over here. Then what type of attack do they impose on us? You can see that they use the DOS attack, that is distribution of service, denial of service. So the denial of service means that maybe you've been denied of services that you always have yourself. You open a particular service on your system, you go by them, you do it here and there, but here is the case that now the attacker want to flood your network. But there is another thing also that I want us to, let's go back. Attacker is using a port number 40, that is 4039. Let's go and check 4039. Let's go. We are checking it together so that at least you will know what I'm talking about. So port number, let me check it again. Let me check it again. Number 4049. Let me check it again. That is 4049. Let's see what type of port is that. They say what? Port 4049 is primarily used by the Wide Area File Services (WAFs) protocol and registered to Cisco for both TCP and UDP traffic, as indicated by the speed guide and INA. All of us know what the INA means because they are the custodian of the registering of IP address and also assigning an authority of IP what assigning addresses. It is also commonly used for network file system. Network file system. Then over here, it said R quota demo services in NetApp on tap system. So when you click down there, at least you will know more about it. The protocol TCP transmission control protocol and the user data word protocol. That is, then it means that it's purposely for file transfer. And when we check, you saw that truly is for file transfer. You can check it here. It's for file transfer. So we have signature message. Signature message. Let's see what this. Okay, so let's here. What you have to do is that you have to just click on what next. The previous ones are this. That is, you can express it or the previous or close it. You can also right click on it and export event. You can export. You can click on export event. Then you can save it. It's in document, so you can save it as a Kfsense event. So it's on HTML. So you just click on it, then you save it. Let me just export it again. DOS. Simple. DOS. So let me just go straight to my document then. So I can see the event, KFSense event here. Then we have the DOS also over here. So let me click and open with. You can open with Internet Explorer to see the event viewer based on what you have just what type. So it will come. Because you've not connected it to the internet. It won't connect. So let me just right click on it and open it with Notepad. Okay, let me open it with Notepad. Then you will see. Okay. Okay. It seems some of the file extension is not responding because if this feature is only available in the licensed word version because I'm using the trial, so they don't want to give me the features of it. But in your side, when you buy the full access of everything, they will give it to you. Then you can have it access. So that is the part two of KFSense. Thank you very much for viewing and also listening. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, I'll be posting more videos, more videos now. I'll be posting more videos. So stay tuned and let us study together and approve ourselves towards the next future because cybersecurity has come to stay. That is your guy, crossover into bracket chameleon. Please Bye bye. Thank you very much.